Hello viewers, I am Maithili. Today we are going to see 12th CBSE Maths Relation and Function Exercise 1.1. In that, question number 1, 5th Roman letter, C subdivision. Let's see the question. Determine whether each of the following relations are reflexive, symmetric and transitive. So we want to see whether it is reflexive, symmetric and transitive. Here in the 5th subdivision, they have given relation R in the set A of a human being in a town at a particular time given by. So, relation R are nothing but set A is human beings. Here the relation is given by x comma y. X is exactly 7 cm taller than y. So, x is greater than y by 7 cm. So, is 7 cm taller than y. That is, first one is taller than second one by 7 cm. Now, let's start with the reflexive. We know that for reflexive x comma x should belongs to R. Here x or the same person cannot be taller. X is according to the given condition it should be x is exactly 7 cm taller than x. A same person cannot be a taller person by himself. So he cannot be 7 cm taller than the same person. So therefore x comma x does not belongs to R. This does not satisfy our condition. This is not true. It is not true. Therefore, we can say that x comma x does not belongs to R. So, therefore, R is not reflexive. Now, we will move on to symmetric. For symmetric, let us take let x comma y belongs to R. That means x is exactly 7 cm taller than y. Now, is it y? But y is not exactly 7. As x is a taller person and y is a smaller person. If this is x and this is y, suddenly y cannot be a taller person than x. So y is not exactly 7 cm taller than y. Sorry, taller than x. E cannot be taller than x. So we can say that x comma y comma x. The first one should be taller than the second one, but this does not satisfy. So this does not belongs to R. That means it is not, R is not symmetric. Now we'll move on to transitive. For transitive, let x comma y belongs to R and y comma z belongs to R. Now, according to the given relation, we can write x is exactly 7 cm taller than y according to the given condition. Same way, y is exactly 7 cm taller than z. That means x is taller than y, and comparing y and z, y is exactly 7 cm taller than y is comparingly to with z. Now from this we know that x is taller than z, but by 14 cm, because here the difference is 7, here the difference is 7, totally the difference will be 14. Therefore, x is exactly 14 cm taller than z. Though x is taller, but the exact value what they have given in the relation, should be exactly 7 cm. But here it is 14 cm, which is not true. Therefore, x comma z does not belongs to R, because though it is taller, it does not satisfy the condition of 7 cm. We can say that therefore R is not transitive. So it is not transitive. That's all with the sum. Thank you.